Christmas was coming, so Mother baked the cake. Mixing ingredients up took bloomin' hours to make. The fruit had plumbed up and some, no dipping in the middle. Now was the time to decorate, which Mother thought a fiddle. She rolled the marzipan around and icing all on top. Did he get the shiny balls, says Dad. No, sold out up the shop. But I got Father Christmas and a little snowman too. I'll wrap a pretty ribbon round and that will have to do. But Father was insistent. We got holly on the walls, but we can't have a Christmas cake without the shiny balls. And we got all the family coming for the whole of Christmas Day. No shiny balls upon the cake. We must get some today. Ma wiped her eyes in her penny. The tears were streaming down. Oh, you do something, Father. Take the car and try in town. So Dad went up Bill's garage. He had to fill the tank. Oh, says Bill, oh, you're looking muggy. Has someone robbed your bank? No, it's the wife, says Feather. She's home there in some tear. No shiny balls upon the cake. Can't get none anywhere. I'll tell you what, says Bill. From the desk where he was sat, I got these little small ball bearings. Can he substitute with that? Oh, it's worth a try, says Feather. And he took them in his hand. Man washed and placed them on the cake. My God, that's looking grand. The children, they were watching at all that had occurred. Now, kids, this is our secret. Don't say a blummin' word. On Christmas Day, the family came. They all arrived by noon. Mother had prepared a goose. They'd all be eaten soon. And later, all were snoring while Mother laid out tea, mince pies, a saffron cake and splits, the cake for all to see. They listened on the radio, the speech made by the Queen. Oh, she'd done a proper job, they said. It was a happy scene. No mishap came at tea time. The trifle disappeared, and several slices of the cake the moment Father feared. They sat there in their paper hats, the firelight on the walls, and Father thinking of the fuss about the shiny balls. For he was grinning quietly while many yarns were swapped, how they'd survived disaster, for they were nearly caught. And Ma was chatting quite relaxed and sitting quite unwary till Grandma bent to poke the fire and shot the poor canary.